a light colored headliner, eventually it's going to happen. You're going to get something that looks like this. And the best part is, nobody's going to know how it happened or where it came from. Well, what I want to do is show you how to take care of that easy, like it never even happened. What we're going to use today is Griots Interior Cleaner, and we're going to use one of their Ergo sponges. I like this sponge. It's yellow, it's light colored, it's not going to transfer onto the headliner any kind of color or residual or anything like that. So let's have at it. Okay, there we go. Spots are gone. You can see it's wet from about here to about here. That's going to go away, but our spots that were right here, they're all gone. So spray it good. And as you saw, don't scrub it, just light. Just go light. If it's not coming off, just a little heavier, a little heavier. If it's not coming off, change direction. Go the other way. Go up and down or back and forth. See what works. You may have saw over here, I couldn't get it to go away with the one direction I was using. So I went this way. And as soon as I went this way, the spots went away. So what you want to do is just let that dry. It'll go away 20 minutes, an hour. May take a little longer today because it's kind of cool here. Those spots, the wet spots, will be gone and you won't ever see it. So yeah, Griots Interior Cleaner with one of their Ergo sponges takes it out. I had in our minivan, I had Cheeto cheese and chocolate in the headliner of that one after a Girl Scout outing with my wife camping for the weekend. Took it right out. Enjoy.